everyone, welcome to the new video. Today we will be starting with a new chapter, noun number. So let's begin the chapter. Chapter 3, nouns number. In this chapter you will learn kinds of number, plural number, singular number, formation of plurals. Read the following sentences carefully. The farmer has a cow and an ox. The potter has many donkeys and horses. In the above sentences now, the words farmer, cow, ox and potter stands for only one person or animal के लिए stand हो रहा है. The words donkeys and horses stands for more than one animal के लिए है. तो these are called number of nouns. तो इसको हम क्या बोलेंगे? Number of nouns. तो S है तो मतलब more than one है तो वो plural हो गया. Now comes the kinds of number. The numbers of nouns are of two types. दो types होते हैं, singular number, plural number. First is singular number. Singular number means single. A singular number now names one person, animal, thing or idea. We took taxi to the market. I like to have an egg for breakfast. I want to have a glass of water. Plural number. A plural noun names more than one person, animal, thing or idea. So I set up the chairs for the concert. There were some bottles in the cupboard. Close the window before it gets dark. So this is a plural number. Now comes to the formation of plurals. Most nouns take S to change the word from singular to plural. तो बहुत से जो nouns हैं वो क्या करते हैं, वो S को लेते हैं कि word को singular से plural में change करने के लिए. Car, cars. Eye, eyes. Pen, pens. Horse, horses. Kite, kites. Lamp, lamps. Nouns that end with S, SS, SH, CH, O, X, ES to change into the plural noun. तो bus, buses. Brush, brushes. Potato, potatoes. Class, classes. Branch, branches. Fox, foxes. Now some nouns that end with F or F ही से end होते हैं उन्हें replace किया जाता है with VES to change into plural form. Wolf, wolves. Wife, wives. Leaf, leaves. Life, lives. Nouns that end with consonant plus Y replace the Y with IES से to change into plural में change करेंगे. तो lady, ladies. Fly, flies. Lobby, lobbies. University, universities. Nouns that end with vowel plus Y only उसमें S add कर देते हैं after the Y ताकि हम उनको plural में change कर दें. तो boy become boys. Monkey become monkeys. Ray become rays. Play become plays. Joy become joys. Essay become essays. There are some nouns that do not follow a particular rule are written differently. वो कोई rule follow नहीं करते हैं, वो अलग तरीके से लिखे जाते हैं. Like mouse will become mice. Child will become children. Deer will become deer. Foot will become feet. Ox will become oxen. Tooth will become teeth. Now it's time to answer. Take the correct option. This is a singular noun. That is both of these. This is a plural noun. Scissors. Now change the following sentences from singular से plural हमें change करना है. Thief has been caught by the policeman. तो thieves have been caught by the policeman. The child was caught stealing a mango. The children were caught stealing mangoes. So like this, you have to complete the rest of the parts. I hope you all have understood the chapter. Go through it again, do the exercises. We'll meet in the next video. Bye-bye. Take care. Thank you.